It's totally finally got like this, and we have to apply to the bread. Yes, I had pasted all everything vegetables, so then I have to put another one bread on this, like this. Lightly you have to press the bread. On the top of the bread we have to apply some butter, and totally we have to paste it. Yes, now it came to complete. Just we are having the 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds we'll get the beep sound on the display. That's the end. See, we have got the end, and this sandwich will be ready. See, totally ready in the sandwich in the Wi-Fi model LG micro with the model MJEN286UFW. W stands for Wi-Fi.